my name is Carson Fuller, and I'm going to be going over the elements of design for this website that I chose today. Now, with the elements of design, we have color, shape, line, space, size, texture, and value. First, we're going to start off with color. Throughout this entire website, we see a pretty clear color scheme of white, black, some grays, darker grays, and some pretty good contrast here. If we scroll down here, we see use of shape. We have a lot of different shapes with this train design down here, displaying the kind of creative work that this person has done. We also see the use of lines on these designs as well, on these train carts right here. And on this website, there is a lot of negative space, but we also do have some positive space. A good example of that negative space is right here. We have a lot of negative space around here, but it works. It works with this website, and it fits in with what this creator is trying to show. With size, we see a clear difference with text. This size of the text right here is clearly bigger than what is down here. And with texture, we can also show on these arms right here, we have these little lines just showing more definition on these arms and these muscles. Same with on these train carts, we see different texture. And we also see up at the top here on this dinosaur, we have a lot of different ridges and bumps showing that texture. Now with value is going to be showing our contrast here, and a good example right here. This text, nice and white with a darker background. It fits, it shows a good contrast with these bright whites, this darker gray, almost black background. Thank you for watching my Elements Design review for this website.